For over a month now, I've been talking about the ATX 3.0 power supply issue and the NVIDIA 40 series GPUs. Now, many of us should know by now that a lot of the adapters are melting, and there's more information that has recently come out. Now, basically this whole entire time I've been saying, if you're getting a 40 series GPU, get an ATX 3.0 power supply unit. Like, just avoid the adapters altogether. Don't cheap out on your power supply unit. This one is the Thermaltake Toughpower, the The GF3 1200 watt, 80 plus gold, and I'm loving it right now. It's in my test bed system. So this is something that is slow to roll out. As you go to Micro Center, there's really not many ATX 3.0 compatible power supply units that are out there. Seasonic does have some that are out on store shelves that actually have their own adapters as well. I haven't checked into the quality of those adapters, but I do tend to trust Seasonic to make their own stuff as well. But the ones that NVIDIA basically included, they're questionable because there's now news that there's different types of cables. There's some that have 150 volts, some that have 300 volts. Gamers Nexus just did a nice review of the ones that he had, which are 300 volts, but Igor's Labs had 150 volt cables. So there's ways to kind of see which one you have. I don't want to say like if you have 150 volts, definitely don't use it because we still need more information. But those apparently are the ones that are failing and melting, but we still need more information. So in the end, get an ATX 3.0 power supply unit. Just use the dedicated single cable, like no splitters, and you'll be good to go. Just treat these well. Don't like bend the hell out of them, but these are good.